How's it going, everybody? Today I wanted to talk about what exactly commercial property insurance can provide coverage for. Thank you for stopping by. My name is Brian Gutowski. I'm an independent insurance agent based here in the state of Michigan, Metro Detroit specifically, and I work with businesses on their commercial insurance programs, as well as helping families and individuals with their personal insurance, their home, their auto insurance as well. My goal with this channel is to pass on a little bit of educational information to you so that you can make more informed decisions around your insurance, whether that's for yourself, your business, or your family, and then overall help answer any questions that you might have. So let's get into it. Commercial property insurance helps protect the actual physical assets of your business. This can include the building that your business operates out of if you do own it. This would be protected through the building coverage section of a commercial property insurance policy. Then there is also business personal property coverage for the contents of the property that your business owns. This includes things like equipment, machinery, inventory, any furniture, computers, and depending on the policy can even include things like outdoor signage. A commercial property insurance policy will typically provide coverage for those items from things like fire, theft, vandalism, and certain types of weather events. One thing to keep in mind is that floods and earthquakes are usually not automatically covered under a standard property insurance policy. So if your business is in an area prone to these events happening, you would likely either need a specific endorsement added on to the policy if the insurance company you're working with does offer it, or you may need even a separate policy entirely for each of those coverages. There are some additional coverages you might want to consider adding on to the policy as well. Things like equipment breakdown, which can help with repairs or replacements if any critical machinery fails. There's also ordinance or law coverage, which is very important for older buildings because it can help cover the cost of bringing your building up to code after a covered loss. And then there's utility service line interruption coverage, which helps if there is damage to a utility line, such as with electricity or water is damaged and interrupts your business's operations. It's also very important to pay attention how your property is valued in the policy. You will typically have an option between replacement cost, which covers the cost of replacing the damaged property at the current cost, versus actual cash value, which takes depreciation into account, meaning that you might get less coverage based on the age and the condition of the items at the time of the loss. We will almost always typically recommend to go with replacement cost if you are able to. And then last is that some policies will include business interruption coverage in the commercial property section of policies. And this coverage helps cover any lost income that your business might have if it's temporarily shut down for a covered loss. So it is very important to have on a policy if it is offered and to make sure that you have enough coverage in this area, because again, if you are ever shut down because of a claim, this coverage can help tremendously. Overall, with all of this, coverage can vary a lot from policy to policy and insurance company to insurance company. So it is important to make sure that you do have the right coverage for your business's needs. So thank you for watching. And if you are looking for help with your commercial insurance, I would love the opportunity to work with you and see if our team can help. There are a lot of ways to get a hold of me, and they should all be in the description below. So please feel free to text, call, email, reach out on social media, whatever is easiest. And if you have any questions about insurance, whether it's commercial or personal related, please feel free to leave them in the comments below. I would love to help answer those as well. So thank you again.